In this tutorial you are going to learn how to make columns in WordPress without using a plugin. First, edit the page on which you want to insert the columns. Then, click on the Add Block icon, select the Columns block. Once you click on the Columns block, you will see options to insert various column layouts. Select one of these layouts. You can now add content to each column by clicking the Add Block icon inside each of them. That's it. That is how you can add columns in WordPress without using a plugin. You can now play around with the column settings to style the columns as you want. Click right below one of the columns to select it. You can then adjust the column width over here. You can also select the entire columns block by clicking in between the columns. Now, you can style the columns using these settings. You can also make the columns wide or full width. And change the vertical alignment of the content within the columns. Okay. Now that you know how to add columns in WordPress without using a plugin, do you want to know about the cheapest tools to build and run a website? I have created Website Builder's Toolbox that will give you this list of cheap tools. Click the link below this video to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.